Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make a teardown of the Samsung Q990b soundbar. You will see in this video that we had some issues, and I think this is very interesting, so check the whole video out and please let me in the comment what do you think. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit the like button. Cheers! So to get access to that screw, we need to open this screw. And now we can unscrew this one. So after about 15 minutes of playing with it, we unscrew for the back side almost 40 screws, and for the grill side, where we can see the speakers, about 20 or 22 screws. So we will see how long it will take us, and let's see if we will damage it. Let's see what is written here. Q990b cover side. Let's see if we can find something. No, not here, but here we see that we have the heatsink for the Q990b. So I think the Q995b, it will be different. You see here the Q990b code, and I don't know what is this. Made in Vietnam. And on the plastic Q990b. Okay. let's try it, tear it down more. Okay guys, so here we have a problem. We have a screw, and to unscrew it we need to take off all this board, this one. So let's see if we can make it without damaging it. So these 4 screws and 5, 6, 7 screws are different screws. You see, they are smaller than the case one. So all of this only for unscrew this little screw. Okay, so let's see if we have completed the job. I see here everywhere these clips. I don't know if we can take them down. So we had a problem. We have another screw in the buttons area. This is the one. Okay. This is the one. So under the main board we have 2 screws that were very hard to take off, but we did it. So we hope to take off the cover. So let's go. And now we will flip it to see if we can take the cover off. Remember, we have clips everywhere. So these were the clips that we take off the rear panel, this one. Okay, and let's see if we can take off the cover to see the speakers. And we have here the Atmos speakers, here and here, and we will try to take off this cover too. So if you see here, this is bent, especially to not take out the front cover and not vibrate too much. but we will try to power on the soundbar, and let's see how it will sound. So we plug the main unit of the soundbar in the outlet, and now let's see if it will start after what we did to it. So be careful at the band. Let's power on, and we will see here that
mic off,
that it is powered on. Okay guys, so it has the max level, and let's see the Atmos speakers. They are very, very weak.